Hi guys, today I am recording with my friend 2Mini aka Noob456. Let me tell you, I filming. He has 96 subs. So 94 I mean. On. Let's see my seeds. Okay, by the way, if you are 2Mini subscriber, if you subscribe to me, you will get a gift from me. Hope you guys excited for the gift, cause a random subscriber is gonna get more of my fruit. So, oh, here's 2Mini, 15 likes on his garden. Yeah, you should go to, okay, stop it. Okay, here is 2Mini. 2Mini, say hi. Say hi. Me fail. Okay guys, stop to 2Mini. Stop to 2Mini. Stop to 2Mini guys. You're also recording at the same time. So yeah, 2Mini is actually my friend, if you didn't know. But if you guys, if the 2Mini fans able to sub to me, they will get a special gift from both of us. That's only for those who sub. Okay, 2Mini. Okay, let's go 2Mini. Now, oh, okay, gather. Let me go back to this time. Okay, now we got Cacao. Every single video I cannot even say Cacao. Cannot even say Cacao, bro. Cacao. Okay, so as you don't know, Cinnamoroll is my sis. I got 3 Cacao, Coca, 3 Coca, and I got 1 and 1 Cacao seed. Guys, if you okay, let's say 2Mini fans, if you are guys watching, so please like and subscribe and punch that sub button. And if you guys are my fan, make sure to sub to 2Mini if you haven't already. Oh, raccoon? Bro, don't tell me he's giving me this. Oh, he got it. Nice. Okay, there are no lines. I got to plant my dandelion at my garden. Okay. Place the dandelion down. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. TY. TY, bro. TY, bro. TY. Okay. Bro, look. Bro, look. Bro. Bro, look. Okay, go. Okay, let's see what's on stock. Rubbish is on stock. Gear top. Look. Look. Okay, look. Look. Okay, so let's have gears. We have, as you guys didn't know, I have Spice Prince here. Yo. Yo, bro, I'm Spice. I am Spice. And guys, if you want something from me, okay, bro, go here. Go here, go here, go here. Okay, I'm gonna press down. Okay, I don't think I have a pizza, but I have some mango. I have the coconut, so let's just place near the coconut. Shall we? Okay, guys, so this is about my friend Tomini, and that's it. Goodbye.